Yo, what's going on, guys? This is I Review You, and today I will be reviewing the gaming keyboard from Nubwo. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just a review of what I got it from the internet, because I've just bought my Lenovo Idea or all-in-one computers, so I thought that I'll be getting also a gaming keyboard since I already have a gaming mouse and a gaming mouse pad. Now let's get back to this thing. This is pretty interesting because there's a lot of lights. A normal keyboard doesn't have any lights in it, but for gaming keyboards mostly it has some lights like this. And not to mention that this keyboard has a variety of lights. So let's check out how it works. Now let me just put this one on my desk while I am reviewing. Okay, so we have here the function key. This is the main thing. All you need to do is to press this one, and the number options on the number keys are the options that you have. Now, okay, take a look. This is the default one. If you get the keyboard from the store, this is the default one, meaning the the function key plus the number 1. Now this button is the power button of the lights. I'll just press this one and it turn off. I'll press this one and it turn on. Now we are going to check if these lights are actually or has actually several displays or functions. Let me see. So let me just press F function and number 2. So if you can see, it blinks so fast now, right? So this is the option number 2. Let's try pressing the function key and the number 2. So it doesn't do anything at all. Just this is the function of the second option. Now let's press function and number 3. Oh, it just dim. Well, that's pretty nice. Let's press again F, N, and 3. No, it only has one function. Next, function and number 4. Okay, so this is how it works. Next, function number 4 again. It has only one option for the number 4. Now next, function plus number 5. So it's a steady light. You can choose any lights actually. If you want red, you can just steady it. If you want another color, press function then 5 again. Now it's a green one. Press function. Blue, function 5. White, function 5. Light blue, function 5. Violet, function 5. Oh, there's a lot of colors. Okay, function 5. All of the colors are being displayed. Next, function plus 6. Okay, so this is how it works. Again, function plus 6. Only one option for function plus 6. Next, function 7. Function 7 is just the lights on the left side. If you press another function 7, it lighted, but I don't know how it works. Didn't work. Next, function 7. No, function 7. Okay. Next, let's go on. Function 8. Alright, so function 8 is actually, if you type in the keyboard, it lights blue. Now it changes color, green. Type green, Stop, type again. White. Stop, type again. Green again. Type white. Blue. Violet. Blue. Now if you press again function 8, how it works. Press hello. Press. Function 8 again. Okay, function 9 next. Function 9 is a sound receiver. If you can see, I am talking and the lights are blinking. If I type, let's turn up the volume. So the lights actually turns on whenever it hears a sound. Whoa, this is really fun. I am talking and the lights are lighting. I am not touching it. Here's my hand, here's my left hand, here's my right hand. I am too far away from the keyboard and I am talking but the keyboards are lighting up. It's really fun. Hey, what happened? Yoo-hoo! Hello? Hey! I will let my dog bark. Let's see if it catches my dog's voice. Chocolate! Who's that? It actually works! Okay, for the last function, function 0. No more. Function 0. No, it doesn't work. That's the last function, function 9. It is the voiced receiver. Now let's go back to function 1. So this is the default one. Okay, so thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed watching this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.